Hello everybody, my name is Super Sarthak. Today we are going to be making plant hangings using plastic bottles or plastic bottles. So let's begin. So first let me show you the plant hangings I made. So it's going to basically look like this after we cut this thing. So first we are going to need a plastic bottle, some fabric paint, and then some soil, then some paint brushes to paint, and then we have some red chili seeds. So when we plant them, we are going to use these red chili. You can basically use any seed you want. And then we have some rope, and then a scissor and a knife. So let's begin. So first we need an adult to help us to cut the bottle with half, because I cannot use a knife because I am really young. So I will just cut it and come. So now that we have cutted our bottles, we need to make small holes in the sides and over here, so that we can put the string in the side. But also here we have some little holes. I don't know if you can see. So I have used this needle to do the holes. So now we have to do some holes in this one. So let's begin. So first we need a sharper, a needle to do some holes down here. So we have to make around 5 to 6 holes, and if you can't do it alone yourself, so please ask your adults to do it, because I also didn't do it myself. So next part, we need to do some small holes over here for the rope to go in, just like this. So let's cut that.
There.
So after we cut the holes right here and right here, so we have to then color our plastic bottle. So I'm going to take my paintbrush, take a blue color, and don't forget we have to only use fabric colors. So we are going to take some blue color, fabric colors, and then we are just going to color it all around the bottle. After coloring, let the bottles dry and it will look like these bottles. So after we color our bottles and they are also dried, we fill them with our soil that we have here. So now when you have filled this, you have to be careful that you only do 1/4 of this. Less than half of the bottle should be filled with mud. So after we fill it with mud, I am using some seeds. These are chili seeds. You can use whatever seeds you have at home. So we are going to plant our chili seeds in here. So we are going to just spread all the chili seeds around in the mud. So now that we have put in our chili seeds inside the mud, we are going to put a little bit of water in it and then cover it back with mud. Now that we have put in our water in the mud, we are going to put some more mud on top of the water. We are going to put the soil in here to cover our seeds that we have put in there. So don't put too much soil, put only around 1 centimeter to cover the seeds. Now that we have put in our soil, we have to put a little bit more water on the top of it. So now our planter is ready to hang on the grill over there. So now you can use any type of bottle to make these planters. You can even use like this big bottle as well. So first, now we are going to take this and we are going to hang it on the grill over there. So now that we have hanged our planter, so it's going to take it a month or bit to grow the seeds. So if you want to see more art and craft videos, please leave a like and subscribe so that I can know. Thank you.